This video highlights some of the new and updated features of Brightspace Learning Environment 20.19.08. As part of our ongoing commitment to design and develop against WC3 accessibility best practices, we have updated our shared web components to align with WCAG 2.1 standards. For a full list of changes, review the release notes. An underline has been added to the post type to better differentiate between message and assignment posts, and field names have been added to improve accessibility. From Activity Feed, when selecting between message and assignment posts, your selection is now underlined to better indicate the post type. When creating a message or assignment, a field name has been added to improve accessibility. The post type icon has been removed to provide more authoring space when creating posts. Once a post is published, the new layout makes more efficient use of screen space. Text within comment annotations is now checked for spelling mistakes. To better align with WCAG 2.1 Level AA criteria, we have removed the OpenDyslexic font. For additional information, review the release notes. Class Progress now includes an Outcomes tab. The Outcomes tab will display a history of learners' submissions and assessments against all learning outcomes aligned to activities in the course. The Outcomes tab will display a history of learners' submissions and assessments against all learning outcomes aligned to activities in the course. Click Learning Outcomes. To view a list of associated learning outcomes, you will also see a visual indicator of outcome achievement if your organization has implemented achievement scales. Users can select Insert Image to add pictures to an email from their device, a URL, or manage files. Images are inserted in place, attached to the email, and display in place. This feature implements PI items D871, D5458, and D2163. When composing an email, Insert Stuff has been replaced with Insert Image. Click it and select how you will attach your image. For this example, click My Computer. Drag and drop the image onto the upload target, or as in this example, click Upload. When you are ready, click Add. Your image displays inline. Intelligent agents now reevaluate the status of release conditions at the moment of triggering to determine whether a user has completed a particular release condition or not. This feature implements PI item D3497. The new Quiz Builder experience is now generally available and recommended for use in production environments. If you do not have access, contact your Brightspace administrator. Navigate to Quiz Questions and click Add Edit Questions. Here you can access the new Quiz Builder experience to add, import, or select and delete questions in the quiz. Questions can be rearranged using the handles to drag and drop, or can be moved using keyboard-only navigation. Deleted quiz attempts can now be restored using the quiz attempt log. From Quizzes, click the context menu of the quiz you want to restore. Navigate to Attempt Logs and click it. To restore a deleted quiz attempt, click Restore. A new auto-analysis tool has been added to the Video Assignments Premium integration by Bongo. This new tool provides English transcription and analysis of clarity, filter words, and speaking rate in words per minute. This new tool is available to all clients with the Video Assignments Premium integration. The Virtual Table of Contents widget now displays the optimal number of modules in the widget and adds a button for navigation between pages. Did the Quiz Builder feature catch your eye? Check out our new Create and Edit a Quiz using Quiz Builder video now. And don't forget to subscribe.